The LiDAR Minimum Maximum Range Error Calculator helps engineers determine the uncertainty in distance measurements for LiDAR systems. Let's start with the inputs. First, we have a units drop-down menu where you can select either metric with meters and millimeters or imperial with feet and inches. For this demonstration, I'm using metric. Next, we need the beam divergence in milliradians. This represents how much the laser beam spreads as it travels. Then we enter the range in meters, the distance to your target. Finally, input the timing resolution in nanoseconds. This is the precision of your LiDAR's time measurement system. After entering these parameters and clicking Calculate Range Errors, the calculator processes your inputs to determine the measurement uncertainty. The results will show you both the minimum and maximum range errors for your LiDAR configuration. These error values represent the potential deviation in your distance measurements due to the combined effects of beam divergence and timing resolution. Understanding these errors is crucial for applications requiring precise distance measurements, whether you're working on autonomous vehicles, surveying equipment, or industrial automation systems. Find the link in the description below.